Transport and public utilities infrastructure forms the foundation that keeps urban mobility systems and public service networks running continuously, from road intersections and rail transit to airports, ports, water, drainage, gas, and environmental services. In these environments, continuous operation depends on coordinated systems: power supply, distribution, communications, monitoring, protection, environmental control, security, and operators management, all working together as one infrastructure chain. For procurement and project delivery, the real question is not whether one product looks strong on paper. It is whether the entire system can run safely, reliably, and maintainably over the long term. A road signal control point is not supported by the cabinet alone. It also needs UPS backup, surge protection, grounding, industrial switching, remote monitoring, and environmental protection to keep traffic control stable. Field sensing and control turn physical conditions into usable data. Sensors, RTUs, edge gateways, integrated control cabinets, and outdoor enclosures support local collection, remote monitoring, and edge access at distributed sites. Protection systems reduce operational risk. Lightning protection, grounding, ventilation, temperature control, access security, fire detection, video monitoring, and unified platforms help protect equipment, people, and service continuity. Maintenance products may not be the main system, but they strongly affect quality and cost. Asset labels, cable management, installation tools, test instruments, and MRO parts make troubleshooting faster and maintenance more predictable. Road intersections require continuous power, stable communication, lightning protection, and remote maintenance. Tunnels and bridges face moisture, dust, vibration, and coverage gaps, so sensors, wireless links, fiber, gateways, and protected cabinets become critical. Rail stations, depots, and operators control centers demand high continuity and safety. Dual power feeds, redundant networks, centralized monitoring, fire protection, and fast recovery planning must work as one system. In utility sites, power, sensing, SCADA, alarms, hybrid energy, storage, cabinets, remote maintenance, and spare parts must be planned together. Integrated infrastructure reduces downtime, lowers repair cost, and supports long-term public service stability.